Here we go, guys. Got the car right here. Bear with the darkness. Give you guys a better shot once we get it in the garage. What's up, guys? DIY Salvage Guy here. Welcome to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to be revealing the brand new build, the 2011 Ford Mustang GT California Special 6-speed manual transmission. On this channel, we just learn as we go. We have no mechanical background. We just have a love of cars and a desire and a determination to rebuild them. And in this particular situation, to relive our teenage years. Super excited for this. So if you guys are new here, whether you guys are returning, hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you guys so much for being here. Like, comment, let me know what you guys think about this stuff. Ring that bell for post notifications. Follow me on all the socials at DIY Salvage Guy. And also make sure you guys check out the merch line. Let's hop into this right now. I can't wait to show you guys this. Let's just go. What's up, guys? DIY Salvage Guy here. And today we got something special. We have a new build about to be delivered. It's coming on the truck right now. It should be here any minute. It's dark. I'm going to try to give you guys the best shot that I can. I am so excited for this build, guys. This might be the guy right now. So, build is on its way here. As I just said, guys, that was him. He's going to be pulling up in a minute. I had a 2003 Mach 1 when I was younger, in high school through college, and I love that car so much. And I'm gonna make this car just as lovely as that one. So stick with me, guys. This is gonna be a really, really fun build. And this is not going to be the only Mustang that you guys are gonna see on this channel, because I love these cars, I love this engine, and I love everything about getting behind a V8 with a 6-speed. So stick with me, guys. Let's have some fun. All right, guys, I know it is dark out. Bear with me on this. I'm doing the best I can with this right now. Down in the distance, we got the truck. He is on his way down here now. And we are going to grab this vehicle and have some fun. Here we go, guys. Here we go, guys. Got the car right here. Bear with the darkness. Give you guys a better shot once we get it in the garage. It's super dark, sorry. I don't want to look at it or do anything until Cody gets here. Alright, guys, just took delivery. Gonna pull it in the garage. Alright guys, here's the car. First look at it. Here's the damage that we see in the front. Looks like just the crash bar. Not too bad. Right there. Do a quick walk around here. This side all seems to be good. Had the body shop do some markings on where everything might be issues. Looks like it just might be some scratches and stuff. Got some scratches here. Some light here. Got some damage in the back here as well. You guys see, you got the Mustang California Special GT, guys. Oh man, this build has been a long time coming. I am super excited for it. We got some buckling back here. That shouldn't be a problem. So we'll need a new crash bar in the back as well. No issues, nothing bad
yet.
We got Cody with us, checking it out.
What's up?
No buckling or anything. It looks like the car might need a whole paint job. Nothing we can't handle. Should be nice and easy to do. We got the space for it now. Not too bad here, guys. Not too bad. Tires look okay. Might need new ones felt relatively soon. But let's check out under the hood. Can you grab that? Got the hood propped up. Got that beautiful, extremely dirty 5.0 engine. I know the 5.0 is old news, guys. It has been in this vehicle for 10 years already. But like I said, I had a Mach 1. It was a 4.6. And I missed that car. And this is going to help me relive my childhood and have a lot of fun with it. So you got the front, the crash bar. Nothing seems bad with this. This just looks like the crash bar is messed up. We should be able to swap that out real easily. All these rails look okay. Nothing looks to be bent. You got this all good as well. You got the radiator support, nothing bad here. Fender seems okay. Fender over here looks to be okay as well. Nothing too shabby. You got good headlight. That's good. We're probably going to be replacing these anyway. I don't really like the look of the halogens. And we're missing one over here anyway. So with any luck, we'll have a couple parts in the trunk. Really not hopeful, being this trunk is extremely small. But we'll take a look in here. Check it out. It says the trunk's open. Let's see.
It's got a lot more space than I thought.
Alright. Can you hold this? Here. So this all looks buckled. It's going to have to be pulled out a little bit. Shouldn't be a problem. Got a lot of zip ties here. Who knows what they were doing with that. Spare tires missing. Doesn't really matter. All that stuff's missing, but so no parts. Kind of disappointing.
I think you got one on the seat up there now.
So we'll hop in there. Looks like they left us a takeout container. So we'll get rid of that. Not too bad. Not too bad here, guys. So let's check out the interior here, guys. Door lines up, so that's always good. Don't have to worry about that or anything. So we got blown airbag, just the driver's steering wheel, not a big deal. Let's see. So we have a blown seatbelt, we'll have to check all these out. We'll run the codes, see just how bad it is, if it's just this one or if it's the rest of them as well. We'll try to get a better look here tomorrow in the light here, guys. No parts. Looks like we might have a tail light over there, but so we're gonna have to do a full part search. But the interior, not looking too bad. Let's check back here. Back seat belts seem okay. We'll check out the other side. Pull that seatbelt for me. You want to check the back one too? So passenger side seatbelt's okay. Back seatbelt's good as well. Doesn't mean that they're not blown, as we learned with the S5 build, but can you grab that tail light?
Shattered.
So we got a single shattered tail light.
That'll help.
So we're gonna be building from the ground up here, guys. So let me know what kind of tail lights, headlights, if you guys have any recommendations on this model Mustang. We went with the S197. I personally like this model more than the S550s. It's not to say that I will not be getting an S550 in the future, but for now, I love this model and we're gonna have a lot of fun building this, guys. Stay tuned to all the fun and everything else that's gonna come along with this. Give it a quick start. We're gonna let it run a little bit, let the battery charge up. I'll probably throw it on a battery tender as well. Engine sounds pretty strong, guys. I don't hear any issues or anything with that. Looks like the main damage is going to be in the back. The front should be really easy to fix. Looks like we're going to have to do, when we paint the bumper, because we're going to have to do that, we'll do some blending on the hood itself. Shouldn't be bad. Doesn't look like anything's bent or anything. Just looks like it got chipped. Everything looks to be straight. So all the way around, looks like it's going to need some paint. All these body lines line up. They're lined up here as well. So that'll be good. We don't have to worry about any of that. The thing that we are going to have to deal with is pulling out the back. So we will figure out how to do that. But that'll be a learning experience and should be a fun one at that. So we're going to let this kind of run a little bit. We're going to look around it and start shopping for some parts. This is now the 4th build, guys. We're moving right along on this channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys check out all the other builds in the series that we did so far. Subscribe, interact with me, like, comment, all those things. Share this video, share this build, share the channel. Help me grow, guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. Hopefully you guys can be inspired by this. Just pick up a wrench, buy a car, do whatever you need to do to try to become a DIY salvage guy yourself.